Good morning. In this video, I am going to explain about linear and Bernoulli differential equations. And outline of this class. In this class, I would like to discuss linear differential equations, Bernoulli differential equations, and equations reduced to linear. First, start with definition of linear differential equations. A differential equation of the form dy by dx plus px into y is equal to q of x, where p comma q are functions of x. Then this type of equations are called linear differential equations. Here we have first order differential derivatives are there, and degree of y is 1. So this is first order derivative, and degree of y is 1. So this is a linear differential equation. See some examples. First example, dy by dx plus cos x into y is equal to sin x. This is linear differential equation because in this equation we have first order derivative and the degree of y is 1. So this is linear differential equation. And dy by dx plus e power x into y is equal to e power x cube into x square into sin x. This is also linear differential equation because in this equation we have first order derivative and the degree of y is 1, remaining are functions of x, so that this is linear differential equation in y. And this is also linear differential equation. So dy by dx plus 2x into y is equal to 2 into e power minus x square. This is also linear differential equation. See here, cos square x dy by dx plus y is equal to tan x. Is this linear? Is this in the form of dy by dx plus p of x is equal to q of x? So if it is possible to write in this form, dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x, then it is linear. So this is also linear, since if we divide this equation by cos square x, we will get dy by dx plus 1 by cos square x into y is equal to tan x by cos square x. So this is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. So this is linear differential equation. So see examples, first order non-linear differential equations. Example 1. Dy by dx plus cos x into y square is equal to sin x. This is non-linear because the degree of y is 2. So this is non-linear differential equation. The same way, dy by dx plus e power x into y is equal to e power x cube into y square into sin x. Here we have dy by dx plus e power x into y, but in the right hand side we have y power 2. So this is not linear differential equation. And dy by dx plus 2 into 1, 2 by y plus y square into x is equal to 1 plus x whole cube. So in this we have y, the degree of y is 2. So this is not non-linear differential equation. Dy by dx whole square plus 2x into y is equal to 2 e power minus x square. This is also non-linear because the degree of the first order derivative is 2. So this is non-linear differential equation. The same way, dy by dx plus x into mod y is equal to 1 plus x square by 2. So this is non-linear differential equation. Since here we have mod y, so this is not non-linear differential equation. In the same way, dy by dx plus mod x xy is equal to x is also non-linear differential equation. So how to find the solution of first order linear differential equation? See here to find the solution of the equation dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. So first multiply the both sides by e power integral p of x dx. We get dy by dx e power integral p of x dx plus p of x into y into e power integral p of x dx is equal to q of x into e power integral p of x dx. This can be written as d by dx of y into e power integral p of x dx, and integrating by both sides, we get the solution. Here y we multiply with e power integral p dx. So if you multiply this this equation by e power integral p of x dx, it will become exact differential equation. That's why we can integrate on both sides and then we get solution. So the solution of this is y of x into e power integral pd of p of x dx is equal to integral q of x into e power integral p of x dx plus c. Here e power integral p of x dx is denoted as if, integrating factor. So the solution is y of x into if integral q of x into if dx plus c, where c is arbitrary constant. So working procedure, working rule to find the solution of differential equation. First, the given equation reduced into the standard form dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. And write p of x and q of x. Then find integral p of x dx. And if is equal to e power integral p of x dx. Then the solution is y of x into I of I into y is equal to integral q of x into I into f dx plus c. C belongs to R. C is arbitrary constant. See first example. Solve dy by dx plus 2x by 1 plus x square into y is equal to 4x by 1 plus x square whole square. First observe this equation. Is it in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x? Yes, it is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x, where p of x is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square and q of x is equal to 4x by 1 plus x square whole square. Now find integral p of x dx. P of x dx is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square dx, that is equal to log 1 plus x square. This is in the form of f dash x by f of x. So you get integral p of x dx is equal to log of 1 plus x square. Now find integrating factor. If is equal to e power integral p of x dx, that is equal to e power log 1 plus x square. We know that e power log x is x, so we get 1 plus x square. So therefore I of x is integrating factor I of I in dot f is equal to 1 plus x square. Now we find integral q of x into if dx, that is integral 4x by 1 plus x square whole square into 1 plus x square dx. 1 plus x square 1 plus x square cancel. You have 4x by 1 plus x square. You can write this as 2 into integral 2x by 1 plus x square dx. So this is log of 1 plus x square. So you get 2 of log of 1 plus x square. Therefore the solution is y into if, y into 1 plus x, x square is equal to 2 into 1 plus x square plus c, where c is arbitrary constant. Sometimes a differential equation cannot be put in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x. So linear equation. Then we regard y as the independent variable and x as the dependent variable and obtain the differential equation of the form dx by dy plus p1 into x is equal to q1. If it is not, if the given equation not in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to q of x, then we can change derivative as dx by dy. That is y as dependent variable, independent variable, x as independent variable. Then we say that this is linear equation in x, where p1 and q1 are functions of y alone, purely functions of y. So now this is modify the above working rule as follows. Now for this is also linear differential equation in x. Then if is equal to e power integral p1 dy. The required solution is x into if is equal to integral q1 into if dy plus c, where c is arbitrary constant. See some example. X plus 2y cube into dy by dx is equal to y. So observe this equation. We can't write this as dy by dx is equal to p of x into y plus is equal to q of x. So if you write this as x plus 2y cube by y is equal to dx by dy. Bring dy by dx in this side, this will become dx by dy. So I write this as dx by dy plus p1x is equal to q1, where p1 and q1 are constant functions of y. Thus we have dy by dx is equal to x plus 2y cube by y. What we get? Dy by dx minus, split this, 1 by y x is equal to 2y square. Here 2y cube by y is 2y square. X by y, I bring x by y in left side. You will get dy by dx minus 1 by y x is equal to 2y square. Now this is in the form of dx by dy plus p1x is equal to q1, where p1 is equal to minus 1 by y, q1 is equal to 2y square. Now find if. If is equal to e power integral p1 dy. What is p1? P1 is 1 by y. So e power integral minus log y. You write this as e power log 1 by y. So you will get 1 by y. So if is equal to 1 by y. The solution is x into if. So x into 1 by y is equal to 2y square into 1 by y dy plus c. C is the arbitrary constant. Now simplify this one. We get x by y is equal to y cancel. You get 2y dy. 2y dy integral 2y dy is y square. So plus c. X by y is equal to y square plus c, where c is arbitrary constant. This is the solution. Now Bernoulli differential equations. A differential equation of the form dx by dy plus p of x y is equal to y power alpha into q of x, where alpha is not equal to 1 belongs to R, where p comma q are functions on an interval, then interval I, then it is called Bernoulli differential equation. So see here, dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to y power alpha into q of x. So in this also, this is also first order differential equation, particular first order and first degree differential equation. And p of x into y, here y of y power alpha into q of x, y not equal to 1. Why not alpha is not equal to 1? If you take y is equal to alpha is equal to 1, see next slide. First order derivative and degree of y is 1, factor y power alpha. Okay. See some examples. All linear differential equations are Bernoulli differential equations. Is it clear? And dy by dx plus cos x into y is equal to y power 2020 sin x. This is in the form of dy by dx plus cos x into y is equal to y power alpha into sin x. So this is linear Bernoulli differential equation. And see here, dy by dx plus x into y is equal to y power 5 x square. This is also Bernoulli differential equation. And dy by dx minus 2 by 1 plus x square into y is equal to x power 5 into y square, y power 6. This is also Bernoulli differential equation. Not all Bernoulli differential equations are linear. Not all Bernoulli differential equations are linear. See, look at the Bernoulli equation. Dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to y power alpha q of x. Alpha not equal to 1 belongs to R. See, some observations are there. First, if alpha is equal to 0, what happens? If alpha equal to 0, then it will becomes dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to y power 0 and 1 is equal to q of x. So this is linear differential equation. If y is equal to alpha is equal to 1, then Bernoulli equation becomes dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal to y into q of x. So you write this as dy by dx is equal to y into q of x minus p of x. So you can apply separable variable separable method to get the solution. So how to find the solution of two such type of Bernoulli differential equations? First, reduce the Bernoulli differential equation in linear form as follows. The given equation, if the given equation in the form, then first reduce this equation in linear form by taking y of y power alpha minus alpha is equal to t. So particularly, right, first multiply with y power minus alpha. We get y power minus alpha dy by dx plus p of x into y power 1 into y power minus alpha, that is y power minus 1 minus alpha is equal to q of x. Now take y power minus alpha is equal to v. Then differentiate with respect to x, we get d by dx of y power 1 minus alpha is equal to dv by dx. That is y power 1 minus alpha into y power minus alpha dv by dx is equal to dv by dx. Now putting e power minus y power minus alpha dv by dx is equal to 1 by 1 minus alpha dv by dx. Here 1 minus alpha is not equal to 0. If alpha is equal to 1, this will not exist. So we take alpha is not equal to 1. Now substitute this in the equation. We get y power minus alpha dy by dx plus p of x into 1 minus alpha is equal to q of x. Now I write this as 1 by 1 minus alpha dv by dx plus p of x into this as v is equal to q of x. This implies dv by dx plus 1 minus alpha into p of x is into v is equal to 1 minus alpha into q of x. Observe this equation. This is linear differential equation in v. Okay. So dv by dx plus 1 minus alpha into p of x into v is equal to 1 minus alpha into q of x. This is linear in v. So see some example. X dx by dy by dx plus y is equal to y square log x. So here this is not x. Okay. First read the given equation as y power minus 2 dy by dx is equal to y power minus 1 into 1 by x is equal to 1 by x log x. So first give the differential equation, divide by x, we get dy by dx plus y by x is equal to y square log x by x. Again divide by y power 2 or multiply by y power minus 2. So you get y power minus 2 dy by dx plus y power minus 1 to 1 by x is equal to 1 by x log x. Now putting y power minus 1 is equal to v, so that minus y power minus 2 dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. Substitute these values in 1, we get minus dv by dx plus 1 by x into v is equal to 1 by x log x, or dv by dx minus 1 by x into v is equal to minus 1 by x log x. Now this is linear differential equation in terms of v. So here, where p is equal to minus 1 by x, q is equal to minus 1 by x log x. So find integrating factor of 2, we get e power integral minus 1 by x dx. So e power minus log x. So e power log x power minus 1, that is we get 1 by x. If the solution of 2 is v into x power minus 1 is equal to minus integral x power minus 2 log x dx. Find integral of this value. E power v into x power minus 1 is equal to apply uv method. So take log x as u, x power minus 2 as v, then log x into integration of x power minus 2, that is x power minus 1 by 1, minus integral derivative of log x, that is 1 by x, and integral of x power minus 2, that is x power minus 1 by 1 dx plus c. Again y power minus 1 into x power minus 1, write this as 1 by xy is equal to minus into minus plus log x by x. Here 1 by x into 1 by x square, that is x power minus 2. Again you will get x power minus 1 by minus 1, write as 1 by x. Then simplify this, you will get 1 by y is equal to log x plus 1 plus cx, where c is arbitrary constant, which is solution of the given differential equation. Now some equations which can be reducible to linear. A differential equation of the form f dash y into dy by dx plus p of x into f of y is equal to q of x can be reduced into a linear differential equation dv by dx plus p of x into v is equal to q of x by changing the dependent variable f of y is equal to v, and which can be solved using linear technique. The given equation is in the form of f dash y into dy by dx plus p of x into f of y is equal to q of x. Then by putting f of y is equal to v, you can reduce this equation into linear form. You will get a linear equation. So then by using linear technique, we can find the solution of the given differential equation. See some examples. E power y dy by dx plus e power y cos x is equal to cos x. Here see, the derivative of e power y is e power y. So if you take e power y is equal to some v, you can reduce this equation into linear form. The same way, secant square y dy by dx plus sin x tan y is equal to sin x. Observe here, tan y is f of y. F of y, you take tan y is equal to v. Tan y is equal to v. Then secant square y is equal to f dash v. So if you take tan y is equal to v, secant square divided by dx is equal to dv by dx, then substitute these values in this equation, you will get linear equation in terms of v. See, solution of the first example. Say take given equation e power y dy by dx plus e power y cos x is equal to cos x. Take e power y is equal to v. Okay, so that e power y dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. From 1 we get dv by dx plus cos x into v is equal to cos x. Why? Because e power y is equal to, I write v, e power y dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. So this is linear equation in v. So if of 2, the given if of 2 equation is e power integral cos x dx is equal to e power sin x. Hence the solution of 2 is v into e power sin x is equal to integral cos x into e power sin x dx plus c. V into e power sin x is equal to, by take substitution method, you find the integral of cos x into e power sin x. So take sin x is equal to t, cos x dx is equal to dt. Now the integral becomes integral e power t dt. E power t integration is e power t. So you get e power x plus c, where c is arbitrary constant. Therefore, write the value of v e power y into e power sin x is equal to e power sin x plus c. This is the solution of the given differential equation.